Now do not let this mask get in your eyes since it do contain some granules. Now apply it all over the face. All over the face. This is gonna lift and tighten the face. Make a thick mask sheet on your face with it.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. We are going to make a video today for you, a skin tightening homemade facial mask. Now this facial mask, we're using natural ingredients that can transform your skin. If you're looking to age gracefully with beautiful skin, this is one that you can try. We're using natural ingredients that are known to lighten the skin, brighten the skin, clear pigmentation from the skin, and guess what? Best of all, reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I have an amazing recipe for you. So do not click off, just watch the video, watch the full length for the full detailed recipe. And guess what I'm going to do for you at the end? I'm going to give you some amazing tips on how to get the best result from using this facial mask, how to care for your skin to have you looking at least 10 years younger. So let's go whip this up really quick.
For this recipe, you're going to need a blender. Small blender will do. My first ingredient is rice. Today I'm using some parboiled rice. Rice will help to tighten and firm that skin. And you can use any rice you have. You can use black rice, white rice, basmati. It doesn't matter what kind of rice you have. Just use it up for this recipe. So we're going to pour about a 1/4 cup of rice in the blender. And I'm going to be blending this to a powder. So make sure to blend your rice with no form of a liquid to begin with. So blend away. Now once the rice is blended, take a look. Here we have our blended rice. And now I'm going to put this aside and reach for my second ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. Here I have aloe leaf, and from this fresh aloe vera leaf, I am going to extract the gel. I'm using about 2 ounces of the aloe vera leaf, and I'm just going to take off the outer peel like I'm showing here. Pretty easy, and take a look. This is the red aloe vera. I hardly find these, but I was just lucky enough to get this one at the grocery. All right, so we are extracting our aloe vera gel. And for those of you who don't know, yes, they do have the red aloe vera, and this is one. Now we are going to extract the gel, and we're going to add this to the blender along with the rice. Now before we blend, we're going to add some liquid. My liquid of choice is hot water. Make sure it's to boiling point. And we're pouring about 2 tablespoons of the hot water in the blender along with the aloe vera gel and our blended rice. And now we are gonna blend. Now please blend the rice before you add liquid. Other than that, it's not gonna come out to a creamy consistency. And you definitely need the hot water to get it to be creamy. And guess what, guys? Now that that is done, look, this is what I'm talking about. If you use cold water, you're not gonna get this creamy consistency. So definitely hot water, and it's not gonna damage the properties of the aloe vera. Now scoop this in a small bowl and look at this up close. Now guess what? We're gonna add some other ingredients to this to kick it up a notch to make it the perfect anti-aging mask. The first ingredient is some honey, And honey is a humectant and it have to hydrate that skin. It contains antibacterial properties that is good for acne prone skin and pimples and blackheads and whitehead on the skin. We're pouring about a teaspoon of honey in the mixture. Pour that in, and guess what next I'm gonna add? I'm gonna add some oils to this. So first oil of choice is avocado oil. I like using avocado oil because it is rich in vitamins and minerals, antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Avocado oil will nourish the skin, hydrates the skin, boosts collagen, and smooth the wrinkles on the skin. I'm using about a teaspoon of the avocado oil. Go ahead, use whatever oil you have, your favorite oil. And now we are gonna mix, and we are mixing well. So we're mixing rice, we're mixing aloe vera gel, we're mixing some honey, and we're also mixing some avocado oil. And this is what makes this an amazing anti-aging facial mask. Now this facial mask, guys, you can go ahead, you can use it right away. However, for me, I like to just let this sit a little. I like to place it in the refrigerator for it to chill. When it is chilled, it's gonna get a little thicker, and now it is ready to use on the skin. So be generous with this mask, okay? You're gonna use a thick layer, and you're just gonna lay it on your face. And don't forget, you can take this one down on the décolleté. Once your face is completely covered with this mask, you're gonna let it sit on the skin for at least 30 minutes for you to get the best result. So let it sit on the skin 30 or more minutes. It's gonna dry. It's a drying mask, and it's gonna leave a tightening effect. I suggest you rinse it off with some cold water. When you rinse this, your skin is gonna feel really soft and hydrated since we use that avocado oil and honey. Now this is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week, but if you're short on time, at least once per week is good. If you're using it once a week, leave it on for about 40 minutes or so, and guess what, guys, you're on your way to tighter skin. It's a perfect facial mask to try, especially if you're a little skeptical about making your own DIY facial mask. This is one that you definitely could start with. Love it, love it, love it. But guess what, you're not gonna know how amazing this is until you try it. So go ahead and give this one a try. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. So there you have it, aloe vera and rice facial mask, the facial mask that is a must try.
Really quick. And there you have it, your homemade facial mask. Whip it up, make it up, and add anything else you want to add to it. Use it on your skin. Give it a little time to work on your skin, 3 to 4 weeks, and guess what you do after that? Send some before and after picture. And while you're at it, share the recipe on your social media so that others could see and enjoy the amazing recipe. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and I can't wait to see those comments. So comment, and guess what? If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. The word subscribe is below in red. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.